Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel Essentials series. In this video, I'll show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel to make your data more dynamic and visually appealing. Conditional formatting is a powerful tool that allows you to apply specific formatting like colors, borders, and font styles based on the values in your cells. It is a feature that allows you to format cells based on their values or certain conditions, such as high or low values, duplicates, values that fall within a certain range, and lots more. For example, you can automatically color cells green when a value is above a certain number, or highlight dates that are overdue. This helps to spot trends and draw attention to key information automatically without needing to manually adjust formatting each time your data changes. To apply conditional formatting, what you need to do is to select the range of data that you want to work with. Okay, then you go to the Home tab. In this case, we have a hypothetical sales data. So and we want to work with the sales values. So we go to the Home tab and then we come under the Styles group, we click Conditional Formatting. Then you choose a rule. You see a variety of rules, as you can see here. The few common ones are to highlight cells rule, which is used to highlight cells that meet certain conditions. For example, you can choose greater than or less than or between. If you select greater than, you can enter a number and Excel will highlight all cells with values greater than that number. We also have the bottom or top rule. What this does is it highlights the top or bottom values in a range. For example, top 10 items will highlight the highest 10 values. We also have data bars. Data bars visually represent values in your cells. Higher numbers will have longer bars and shorter numbers will represent lower numbers. This is a great this is great for a quick visual comparison of values. We have color scales. Color scales apply a gradient color to the cells, where the highest values might be colored green and the lowest values might be like red, creating a heat map effect. We also have icon sets. This option uses icons like arrows or traffic lights to represent or shapes to represent the data. You might use green arrows for increases, red arrows for decreases, for example. If you ever need to edit a or remove a rule, simply go back to the conditional formatting button and select manage rules. Okay, you come down here and here you can modify existing rules or clear all rules from a range. So let's continue um, with this example. We have selected the cell that we want to apply conditional formatting. We have gone to the Home tab and we're now in the um, Styles group. We have selected conditional formatting. And for these numbers, we want to highlight using sales rules. We want to show us numbers that are above 1 million, sales figures that are above 1 million. We want them to be in green. Okay. We also want sales values that are below 500,000 to be in red. Okay. So there you go. And this will happen as we continue it will automatically highlight any sales that meet these conditions, making it easier to spot high and low values at a glance. Conditional formatting is not just for numbers. You can also use it for dates. Okay, you highlight your dates and then you ensure that you're in the home group. Click on conditional formatting you're in the home tab. Click on conditional formatting in the styles group, and then you say we want to highlight cells based on dates. Anything with yesterday, we want to, you know, fill it with the light red. In this case, all our numbers do not apply to this year, so um, it's giving it seems not to be working. So let us edit Let us change these dates to recent. This is more recent dates. Now let's apply the conditional formatting rule. We want you to highlight, okay, this month. And for sales, because we're in the month, so we're going to use, let's use the green. So there you go. We've been able to format our data in order to, track the amount of money coming into our business during the month, and also during the period, and also specifically to highlight for the current month. Again, let's quickly make an example with the data bars. Okay, so this is how you're not only just highlighting those that are low and those that are high based on your rules, you're also using data bars to make it more attractive. Now that you know how to apply conditional formatting, I encourage you to experiment with these rules on your own data. Try highlighting the highest values, applying color skills, and using data bars to visualize your information. The possibilities are endless, and the more you practice, the more powerful this tool becomes. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. This wraps up today's session on conditional formatting in Excel. I know you're now ready to start using this powerful tool to make your data more dynamic and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit. See you in the next video.